This first, oh, that's cute. Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today is Trendsend Day. I'll have all the details down in the description, but it is one of those styling boxes where you give them what you want. They will do their best to send you what you want, and they curate usually get 6 to 8 pieces with Trendsend. My stylist is Arlene, and they do give you suggestions. If you've never tried Trendsend and you'd like to try it, I will put a link below where you will get 20% off your first box. I'll get 20% off my next box. This is the Stevie Twisted Top. Very cute. It's got the round neck. I like the sleeve length. They put this together with, these are the Reese ankle straight cut from the cloth in ecru. And these are very cute. Got some distressing up here, and then they've got the raw edge hem. Put that together with the Ever Jacket by Evereve. And very cute. It's pretty heavy. Let's try these on and see what we think. And here's the full outfit. And the jacket is the Ever Jacket by Evereve, $128. My price $102.40. Give you a closer look. It's really cute. I like it. Well made. It's pretty heavy. I do have one that's very, very similar. So, okay. Here is the Stevie Twist Sleeve Top by Evereve. $58. My price $46.60 or $46.40. I'm not sure if that code is because, or if that price is because somebody used my code, but thank you very much if you did. I think this is cute. It's a little snug on me, and it's really choking my arms up here, which nobody needs that. So if I were to keep this, I would exchange it. This is a small. I would exchange it for a medium. And then the jeans are the Reese Ankle Straight by Cut from the Cloth. I think they're really cute. I like this little bit of distressing. I think they're great for summer, spring and summer. I love the color. They're not white. They're just that ecru. I'm not sure I love them on me. I'll have to watch this back and see, but we'll see. Next outfit that they have is this Elena Shadow Stripe Top by Rails. And this is cute. It's got the flutter sleeves, buttons all the way down the front. It does have some stripes. They put this with the Cut from the Cloth jeans. And then they also put it with this smocked flutter top by Cloth and Stone in Vintage Berry. And again, cute. Let's see what we think about those. Okay, the second group of outfits. This is the Elena Shadow Stripe Top by Rails. Original price $148. My price $118.46. I don't know about that. I really don't like this together. I just think these are too close, but not close enough in color. But let me let you look. Excuse the dark bra. I have on a dark bra and I did not change. But I like that it's buttoned down the front. I like the neckline. I think the sleeves are cute. It's a cute top. I don't think it's $100 plus top. So this will be a no. So on to the next. Okay, outfit number 3 is the Elena Shadow Stripe Top with the Betty seamed trousers. Cute, by Level 99. I like them, very, very cute. So they put that with that, and then the smocked flutter top. So they put these two tops with this And then also put those with the ecru pants from Cut from the Cloth. So let's see what we think about these. All right, these are the Betty seamed trousers by Level 99, and original price $148. My price $118.40. They do have a seam that goes down the front. It's got the cute little tie waist, and then it's got pretty deep pockets. No pockets in the back. I'll have to watch it back to see what I think about them, but looking in the mirror, I didn't think they really did anything for me. So for $118, they're gonna do a lot for me. So this is the Cloth and Stone smocked flutter top in vintage berry. This was original price $88, my price $70.40. And let me untuck it here. It's kind of hard to tell when it's this wrinkled how cute it really is, but I think the sleeves are cute. I like the neckline. I don't know that it does a whole lot for me. It's a cute little top. It's a little loose for my taste. So we'll see about this one too. Outfit number 4. Oh man, that's really cute. This is the Blakely fold over dress by Z Supply in washed cherry. And it is a maxi. And then they put that together with the denim jacket. So let's go see what we think about that outfit. Okay, here's the Blakely fold over dress by Z Supply washed cherry. $74. My price $59.20, which that's not a bad price. I just don't think it looks that great on me. Also, anybody know why it would be called a fold over dress? Am I missing something? I feel like to wear this, I would have to wear Spanx or something, which that is not going to happen in the summer. This is this. I think it's cute. It's got the high-low hem. Here's the back, which I'm sure is not flattering, but they suggested putting the jean jacket over it. I will not get this jacket. I might have said that earlier. I've got one very similar. It's not. But I think this gets cuter with the jacket. I think everything looks good with a jean jacket, but here is this. So let us do a really quick wrap up. I thought all of that was cute, just not necessarily cute for me. The only thing, I am tempted by the black short sleeve top, but only if I could exchange it for a medium. It just felt too tight on me, but I think it's cute. I like it. The other thing, and I'm gonna have to watch it back, but the other thing that I might think about keeping would be the Cut from the Cloth jeans. I like that color. As I looked in my closet, I've got several things that it would look really cute with, especially in the spring and summer. Be cute with this top and some of the ones I've got hanging in, or this jacket, and some of the tops that I have hanging in my closet. I'm not going to decide. And I think this $71. I think it's a good price for Cut from the Cloth jeans, which I do like. So those are the two things that I think I'm tempted by, but I'll watch it back and see if I change my mind either way. But let me know what you think. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subscriber, and I thank you all so much. Those of you who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate you. I will see you next time, y'all. Bye-bye.